We've spent a lot of time and a lot of effort in developing this expertise. We don't want to let that go to waste. We want to exploit it and make sure that that investment comes to fruition. Also, it puts us in a good place to be involved in future space missions, which is brilliant for the reputation of the UK.
It could be used anywhere that you want to do something autonomously, so it could be autonomously moving around rovers for building habitats, or it could be used for going to places that are uninhabitable by humans or in an extreme of temperature or particularly dangerous. So anywhere that you want to do something autonomously, this rover could still use that technology to do that.